and be the very best person that you can possibly be.
Students of Regency, we work hard every day in academics and our co-curricular activities. Our aim is to better ourselves with the each passing day. The year 2019 had been a very happening and busy year for all of us. And now, we have come to a start of 2020. Our dear Principal Ma'am will now tell you what we have been doing throughout the year and what changes have taken place in our campus. With a loving heart, please welcome our dear Principal Ma'am.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Good evening, Honorable President, management, invited guests, and my dear parents and guardians. I'm delighted to stand before you once again and hold before you the picture of Regency in her latest form. As I convey you a detailed report of the development of the institution, I am filled with gladness of certain kind to see the progress which has been made ever since the start of this august institution in 1995. I see the school as one big whole structure which is segmented into four. Even before I say something, I know you have the whole view before you. Yet, it is my duty to reiterate all that has been happening around Regency. I start with the unit which consists of the youngest of our members. Yes, the pre-primary section consisting of playgroup, nursery, kindergartens situated at Station Road. The entire campus is smart. Call it a smart school. We had foremost in our mind and technological advancement in the world and thought it best for our tiniest ones to start with right from the beginning, and hence the effort. I'm glad that our dreams have become reality. We had dreams of a school of the stature of Regency, and by 2018, Regency were in her complete form. This certainly is a wish fulfillment as Regency is located in the countryside amidst rural surroundings and caters the children from the district mainly. But the children are able to stand at par with any metro child, and are without any complex. For quite some time, we have been dreaming of an auditorium where we could present you our artistic performances. Now, with the end of 2019, that part of our dream too has taken shape. You are seated and delighted to watch your own children perform to you. Our dream is of a large proportion. Years ago, we dreamt of our students passing out from the school and carrying the Regency banner with them long way to wherever they went. We had to wait for a few years until Regency came of age and she started sparkling with her diligence, dedication, and determination. Now, we are happy to mention that we have acquired a record of producing the much desired outcome. Our results for ISC and ICSC are consistently good, and there are more than 100% holders in more than one subjects. There are several merit holders, and it is a matter of pride that most do well in the council examination and continue to perform well in life after school. To look after and tend to the utmost of each section, we have coordinators for each block. The coordinators, with their coordination, help expedite the day-to-day work of the teachers and assist the principal with reports and progress. Our faculty is a great help to sail the vessel called Regency and to control its rudder. The school has hired the services of professional sportsperson from EduSports, and utmost attention is paid to the physical upbringing. of the students. We are particular about the students' well-being, and this is why we get a grip over them from the very start. We do it throughout the session. We have made it a point to develop their mind, body, and morals together. As the academic progress, so do these two. It is our prime duty to see the children grow into capable, caring, and kind citizens of our beloved country. We want to bring forth students of caliber who are good human beings. The school abounds in various activities. Besides the concerts, number of other functions are held. The chief among them are the investiture ceremony, the festival day, debates in English and Hindi, elocutions in English and Hindi, quiz contests, and various other programs besides the house concerts. Most of the programs are competitive and offers a healthy competition amongst the four houses. This generates a strong zeal in the students. Children also go out on industry interface and come face to face with the real world, thus taking their education to the fields. They go on bank visits, factory visits, other production houses, and regularly go out for community services, visiting hospitals, orphanages, meeting the inmates, talking to them, taking tokens of gifts and necessary items for them. At the same time, there are various visitations from institutes of renown to hold seminars and workshops, talks and interaction with them to enhance knowledge and get a slice of reality and what lies ahead and how to meet them. As I said earlier, we envision a great institute wherein good and great things will happen. And all our dreams are for children who wish to become someone and help others to accomplish what they themselves have. Now, we have a focus on more than one thing. We now have our platter, the Students Exchange Program. Next academic session, we intend to start with Students Exchange Program, sending students and inviting students to our campus throughout the country. This will expose them to the different norms and folkways of the various parts of our great country. Coming to know in reality about the different regions by meeting counterparts is the best way of getting to know the culture, creed, and customs of their motherland. This is in the pipeline. Now everything depends on His grace. By God's grace, we also want to start the International Baccalaureate Primary Year Program, which is the need of this technology-based society involving parents, teachers, and students. I'm looking forward to the time when we shall start with it because it will profit students, parents, and teachers and their practical mode of approach, which will ease out the students, make them passionate towards learning all the more. I'm certain by now you have a clearer picture of Regency. What is true is before you. Then you have newsletters, Regency Times, and magazines, besides the news and online information. But I'm happy to have sketched a full-form portraiture of the institution and wish for your good wishes so that Regency flourishes all the more and answers to all your needs concerning good education. On my part, I can promise that I want to do all that is good for the students and that I shall attempt to. You have seen and you know too that Regency promises to be the place where imagination achieves the impossible. And with these words and this small by mighty phrase, I shall take your leave of wishing you to wish me and my school all that will make her glorious by the grace of the Almighty. Thank you for listening to me so profoundly and believing in every word I said and the future promises that I have made. May God's grace be on you too, and together we flourish to bring up our children as honest, gentle folks with integrity. I take leave of you now that I have reached the last line of my expressions of thought and feeling, and leave you to enjoy every moment of our show, which is meant for you and which we all have prepared with love and concern for you. Thank you, everyone.